Ndi bonine kahana tauno that develop their hometown. Now they can do something to him. He was lamenting now. Okundi bonine sunine batana manduna America manduna different countries in Africa. Batan no bedo sebon. Now, Evangelist Ebube, you quarter the same thing, Nimo State, calling all the Igbos to return back home. And now I can see the movement. Many people are coming back to East. Many Igbos, Mountain America, London, China, African countries, they are returning back home. And all these Igbo bloggers and content creators, they have one examination. Only Igbo abuna lulu hotel or low factory or bogo na go bia merely advertise na business here do asadi Igbo land maybe business here na Lagos or bogo na go bia kwogwo na go bia merely advertise na hotel here na Lagos or lawful. If you don't get the advertise, it happy he game. It call you also. Nelo hotel 1 9 okay located now. If you look at hotel la umaka insecurity na east. Oh, it's got insecurity na east. Or galo hotel na Lagos or na east Kogalia. Stop that nonsense. So stop on all this is on them. Okay, merely advertise. Go and do your advertise and stop waiting I discourage other people now return back to east because we are calling everybody to return back home. And those on chokwa issue one ma bolo nda na ha bere si madiana. Ile si madiana ogolo. Iboko onye ozo le squad ise na na. Oko onye ozo le squad ise na na. Obu na Igbo onye Igbo and we are doing this sustain. Stop it. In Ozena village we na raro mana. Ebe na yumu na ka ha nata back to east to develop their land. And he na mepo ile so nyana. Ibolo onye ozo le squad ise na na. Ibolo onye ozo le squad ise na na. You need to discourage our brothers, our sisters to return back home. Only one if we name that kind of thing in this east. Only ambu the enemies of Ndibo. Only ambu the enemies of the progress of Ndibo. Only ambu if we name that kind of thing. Only ambu the enemies of Igbos. And nobody name stop it now. Ndibo, but that's uno. Come back home. But that's uno. All these people in Igbo land, mad choil factory na your village. You wanna attack Sonyaho, you wanna persecute Onyaho. Stop it! Stop that nonsense. Madi na your village, call off factory, go develop Poboro. Or hapu Lagos, hapu Abuja, hapu Ghana, hapu South Africa, hapu London, hapu America. But as even Naya, na Nibu. Call off factory or call off 1 or 2 things. Go be done develop Zana Ben Naya. You wanna attacks because of Obulo Nobodon. You wanna actually price go to Chonya also. They persecute because of forcing na the same villages near. Man andi boni nebo fu. Madi bia call off factory na your village. Or no wori honya anchole na your village. Or no chale luno. Na ni ego person on Ghana ya. Man una jise alo man because of obulo no bodo no. Una na gwasonya wickedness. Una na gwasonya wickedness. Una na yanka okwo echikwa una abekwa echi ndoza abekwa. What is happening in Igbo land? You people should stop